Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss about class 8 general knowledge part 7. Disease in plants. In this slide we will discuss about a disease in plants. Just like human beings, plants also are attacked by disease causing organisms like fungi, bacteria, virus, insect, etc. Means just like a human being, plants also infected by disease like organisms like fungi, bacteria, virus, insect, etc. Identify these plants disease with the help of clue and helpbox. Means first question. There is a loss of turgidity and the entire plant show dropping due to loss of turgidity. The pathogens accumulate in the conducting tissues, blocking this movement of the food and water. Means through this disease block the movement of food and water supply in whole plant. They also secrete toxins which may block the conduction. Means it also produce a secret toxin, secret chemical which block the conduction. Means such type of disease occur in plant, and through this disease, tissue is blocking the movement of food and water supply. So the name of this disease is called wilt. Wilt. Second, small color area which may be yellow, red, brown, or black appear on the surface of the affected plant. Means this disease affect small color area like yellow, red, brown, black appear on the surface of affected plant. So the name of this disease rust. Question number 3. A wide range of plants suffer from fungal disease. A wide range of plants suffer from fungal disease. There is a deposition of white powder like spots. Means when occur any plant this disease, so look like a white powder spots on leaves and stem. The name of this disease Rowdy mildew. The name of this disease powdery mildew. Means when such type of disease occur plant, then white powder like spots see on leaves and stem. The name of this disease powdery mildew. Fourth, the bark of the stems of the tree infected with disease die showing dead area with raised margin. Means bark of the stems tree infected with the disease and die showing dead area with raised margin. The name of this disease is canker. Through canker disease tree infected and stem look like a dead. So the name of this is canker. Fifth, there is a premature death of plant cells or tissues which discolor stem or leaves. Premature death of plant cells and which discolor stem or leaves. And the plant may be killed entirely. Maybe such type of plant not survive when such type of disease occur in a particular plant. The name of this disease necrosis. Necrosis. 6. Shoot-like masses called sori containing accumulate spores appear in the blister in seeds, leaves, stem and flower. Sori usually break up into black powder that is dispersed by wind. Means through this disease, plant seeds, stems and flower affected and black powder dispersed by wind. The name of this is smut. Smut. Seventh, there are crustaceous lesions on fruits, tuber, leaves or stem. The main plants affected are apple, cereals, cucumbers, peach, etc. Such type of plant affected of this disease. The affected plants show dropping of leaves. Means when such type of plant like apples, cucumber affected these disease, and leaves of these plants are dropping, fall down. The name of this is scab. Scab. Pathogens. Bacteria, virus, and fungi are the biological agents that causes disease among humans, animals, and plants. Take the correct options on the positive pathogens for disease in humans, animals, and plants. First, typhoid is caused by protozoa or bacteria. The correct option, bacteria. By bacteria causes typhoid disease occur. Correct option, bacteria. Second, chicken pox is caused by fungus or virus. Chicken pox is caused by virus. Correct option is virus. Here chicken pox. Clear? And third, malaria is caused by the bite of mosquitoes or virus infection. Malaria, mosquito or virus infection. Correct option is mosquitoes, because malaria is caused by the bite of mosquitoes. Question number 4. Sleeping sickness spreads by the bite of. Sleeping sickness spreads by the bite of testis fly or mosquito. Correct option is testis fly. Here the testis fly. Question number 5. Mumps is caused by protozoa or virus. Correct option is virus. Is caused by virus. Next, rust disease in plant caused by. Rust disease in plant is caused by protozoa or fungi. Correct option is fungi. Rust disease in plant is caused by fungi. Question number 7. Foot and mouth disease in cattle is caused by. Foot and mouth disease in cattle is caused by protozoa or virus. Correct option is virus. So the virus, foot and mouth disease occur in cattle. 8th, anthrax is cattle disease caused by. Anthrax is cattle disease and caused by protozoa or bacteria. Correct answer is bacteria. Question number 9. Mosaic wilt affect plants as well as animal is caused by bacteria or fungi. Correct option, bacteria. Mosaic wilt affect the plant as well as animal caused by bacteria. Black smut of wheat is due to fungi or virus. Correct option is fungi. Black smut means stem of the plant look like black color, black powder. So black spots of wheat is due to fungi. Human body. Questions are here. First, name the 3 kinds of joints. Name the 3 kinds of joints. Answer is hinge joint, ball and socket joint, and pivot joint. Question number 2. Which ribs are the floating ribs? The 12th rib. 12th ribs are floating ribs. Question number 3. The finger-like projections in the small intestines are called. The finger-like projections in the small intestine are called villi. Answer is villi. Question 4. The branching thread-like projection of neuro are called. The branching thread-like projections of neuron are called dentment. This is called dent, D-E-N-D-N-T. Then fifth, the soft central parts of body skull is called. The soft central part of body skull is called fontanelle. Soft central parts of body skull is called fontanelle. Question 6. The largest organ in our body, liver. The largest organ in our body, inside our body, liver, and outside largest skin. Question 2. What are the parts of human brain? What are the parts of human brain? Forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Question number 8. What is clavicle? Clavicle is collarbone. Question 9. The lower jaw is called mandible. Question number 10. What is the other name of breastbone? Sternum. Question number 11. Name the tiniest bone in the body. Stub. Question number 12. What is the name given to kneecap? Kneecap is called patella. Question 13. Name the protein mixture which form of our bones. The forms our bones is called collagen. The name of protein, collagen. Question number 14. Our nails are made up of extremely tough protein called. Carolin. Name of the protein, carolin. 15. The genes exist in our body in chromosomes. Genetic genes exist in our body in chromosomes. Here, do you know our skull has 22 bones. Two hands have 54 bones. And two legs 6 bones. Backbone have 33 bones. Hip 2 bones. 2 feet 52 bones. 2 feet have 52 bones in human body. Hopefully all students understands all content of this video. Each and every student write on your copy and learn them. Thank you.